Car, Car, Truck, Jeep by Katrina, Charman and Nick Sharratt. Car, car, truck, jeep, have you any fuel? Yes sir, 3 tanks full. One for the red bus and one for the train. One for the pilot in her jumbo jet plane. Honk, honk, beep, beep, driving down the road. Passed by the tractor with its heavy load.
Here we go.
There goes a motorbike weaving to and fro. Stop at the red light, then zoom, off we go. Chugga, chugga, choo, choo, race along the track. Pull along the carriages, clack, clickety, clack. Arriving at the harbour by the seaside. Hop on the hovercraft, it's such a bumpy ride.
No, 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 no.
Flicker, flacker, what's that in the sky? Look, it's a helicopter buzzing on by.
Yeah, it's.
Spot the yellow taxi bouncing up and down. Climb slowly up a steep hill on the way to town. Rumble, rumble, scrape, dig, there's a dumper truck. Digger lifts the bucket filled with dirt and muck. Flashing lights and sirens, a police car rushes past. When there's an accident, they must get there fast. Vroom, vroom, screech, roar on the motorway. It's time for bed now, we've had a busy day. Yawn, sighs the red bus and zzz. Snores the train. Sweet dream, says the pilot in her jumbo jet plane.
You see
The end.
what you write